Hi students, happy day. Warm welcome grade 3 students. Now, today, do you all know what we are going to learn? Yes, we are going to learn about chapter 8, editing in WordPad. So in the last chapter, we learned about the WordPad and its various components and so on. Am I right? So now let's see what we are going to learn in this lesson. In this video, Part 1, we will be learning on how to open a document which we saved it and how do we edit it, how do we add a text into it, how we can copy a text and move a text in it. Okay, now let's get into the lesson, students. I will be showing my WordPad and I will be teaching you all these. Let's get into it, students. Now, so hope you all can see I have opened the WordPad document here. So I hope you are all familiarized with these components, right? So this is the area where we type it, and these are all various options. We have it in home and view. These are all few tabs, okay? Now, first thing, we are going to see how to open a document, okay? As soon as you open a WordPad, we need to go to File, and we need to click on the Open. Okay, now can you see here, as soon as I clicked on the file, you can see an open option, and also sometimes you can view here the various recent documents which we have used in WordPad. Okay, so now I'm clicking on Open, and where we saved it. Yes, I have saved a document, a demo doc in desktop, and we are going to open this. Okay. So now can you all see, once I click on the document, whatever we have saved earlier, it has appeared. So this is how we open a document. Okay. Now, the next part we are going to see about editing. Editing means what? Making a change to it, right? So let's see how we can make the changes to it. So now if you see, I have a few type errors which I have done it. So shall we correct it, students? Yes. Now here, a deep friendship is like a rain. So I want to, what is it? Rainbow. What is the spelling of it? R-A-I-N-B-O-W. So we need to add W. So I'm taking the cursor on W, that is next to O, and I'm going to type the word W. So this is how we need to use the cursor. Okay, you can use your mouse. You can use your mouse. So you all know when we use the mouse, and if you can click either on the particular place and it will come. Okay, and the other thing, with the help of your keyboard, you can, if the cursor is there at the end, with the help of your shift arrows, you can move the cursor. Hope you're able to view it, and you can add the text. Now I'm going to add the text. Happiness. What is the spelling? Happines. So I'm going to add the word P here. Okay. The same way here also, I'm going to add bridge. Like other thing is like when you wanted to delete the letter, okay, which is left side of the cursor. So we use backspace key to erase it. Okay. So now I'm going to do GE bridge. And when you want to delete anything towards your right side, keep your cursor. And when you want to delete anything towards the right of your cursor, press delete key from your keyboard. So can you see it got deleted? So this is the how you delete it, and also you edit your text in Word. Okay, hope you all must have understood the step, right? Good. The next one we are going to learn is about copying a text. How we can copy the text. Okay. So I want to copy this word friendship. Copying means duplicate, where the original will be there, and you keep on adding that particular word here and so. Okay. So for copying, first we need to select the text. I'm going to select the text. Like keep the cursor there on the place where you want to. And can you see I have selected the text, and either you can click on this copy option. What is the shortcut key? Control plus C. Very good. You can click onto it. So pasting is like wherever you want to paste the text, what we need to do after it, yes, select the text where you want to, and either you click on paste or the shortcut key. Can you see here? Control plus V from your keyboard. So what do you observe? Hope you must have observed that the particular word, I mean, the text what we copied has been added. Am I right? Yes, very good. So hope you must have understood this part. Am I right? Now we saw what is copying a text. Now here we are going to see moving it. Okay. So what do you mean by moving, students? So moving an object from one place to another. Yes. So from one place you are going to move it. So how we will do? Can we look into it? So now what I'm going to do is it. Now here you have the word the joy giving. Okay. This paragraph, I wanted to move towards the top, and I wanted to bring this friendship below. So can we see how we are going to move the text? So moving can be done in 2 steps, and we have 2 commands which we need to follow. One, we need to remove it, and then after which we have to paste it. Okay. So what I'm going to do is that now, first of all, we need to select the text. Okay, I'm selecting this entire text and I'm going to cut it since we have to remove that from that place. Okay, so I'm using cut or the shortcut key Control plus X from your keyboard. So what did you observe? The paragraph is got removed. So the same paragraph, it was on the top and we wanted to bring it down. So I'm going to give an enter. See, I've given an enter. I'm going to paste it here. So here I've given Control plus V, or using this, I have pressed Control plus V. Can you observe what has happened here? I have moved the friendship down. So this is called as moving a text. Okay. So hope you all must have understood what we have done. So what is the shortcut key for cut? Remember always the X symbol. Yes. Control plus X. V is for paste. C is for copy. Okay. Now, in the next video, we are going to see the continuation part of searching, replacing, inserting, and delete. We'll see on the next video, students. Thank you, students. You all have a great day. And let's see you all on the continuation video too. Thank you.